Yes, we were in the lesson The Crow and the Peacock in page 75. This happened a very long time ago. How long time ago? Many years ago. So, this is a story taken from China, and this is a fable. In the sense, it is a story in which animals talk like human beings. We have learned this about. We have learned about these fables in the very first lesson, right? Do you remember that? Yes, we have learned it in a bell for the cat lesson. A bell for the cat, meaning of fable. It is not just a fable; it's a folk. Folk means people. This story was, told by people from generation to generation. Okay, so it's called a folk. Okay, so you can see in the title, folk, F-O-L-K, folk. Okay, so a story which is passed on from generation to generation. It's called as a folk. So the tiger was getting married. Who was getting married? Tiger was getting married. He had invited all other animals in the forest to attend the wedding party. So, especially this peacock and crow were also invited to the wedding. So, in this story, the main characters are peacock and the crow. They were invited to the wedding. Whose wedding? Tiger's wedding. Okay, in those days, crows were as white as snow. What a wonder. Now, we can never see a crow which is white. A crow is fully black in color. But in those days, crows were as white as snow. Crows were as white as snow. And peacocks were as yellow as butter. So you have to remember this. In the beginning of the story, the color of the crow is white and the color of the peacock is just yellow. Getting? But today, color of the crow is black, and the color of peacock, you know that color, peacock's body is made up of a lot of colors. Okay, this is an important wedding. So the conversation is happening now between the crow and the peacock. So who is telling this? The peacock is telling. This is an important wedding. I think we should make ourselves colorful for such an occasion. So the peacock is telling this to the crow. So what is it telling? This wedding is important, and we should decorate ourselves. We should decorate ourselves. We should make up ourselves colorfully. So that's what it's telling. So what an idea, said the crow. So crow agreed. Yes, what an idea. Good. We will not go in a simple dress. No, we will color our body. Okay, and we will make up our body and we will go to the wedding colorfully, like that it said. Yes, we must look very colorful, said the peacock with a smile. So, peacock is telling, we must look very colorful. Children, color is very important, because without color, okay, the life would have been very, tasteless, passive, tasteless. Only because we have a lot of colors in the nature, in the universe, in the nature, so interesting is our life. So the crow also agreed that it's a good idea. We should go with a good decoration, or we have to go with a good makeup. So for that, even the peacock said, yes, we have to look very colorful. I know how to do it, said the crow. For this, the crow replied, yes, I know how to do it. How to do it means how to make ourselves colorful. I have some cans of paint. Each can has a different color of the rainbow. Children, you might have seen the rainbow. You would have seen the rainbow in the sky. It is made of 7 main colors, right? We call them Vibgaya, violet, indigo, brown, yellow, orange, red, right? So there are various colors in the rainbow, beautiful colors. So this crow said, "Hi dear peacock, I have got a few cans of paint. I have got some cans of paint. Okay, each can has different color of the rainbow." That means what? There is some can which is having white color, there is another can which is having red color, another can having orange, another can having say green, another having blue in it. So there are different cans with me, and each can has different color of the rainbow. What we can do is we can use these colors to look as beautiful as we like. Don't worry, friend. So initially in this story, these two are friends, the crow and the peacock. So the crow said to peacock, "I have got cans of paints, some cans of paints, and each can has different color of the rainbow, and using them we will paint our bodies and to make ourselves look very colorful." To that the peacock readily said, see what did it say? "Please use your colors to make me colorful." The peacock said this, "And then I will work on you and make you also equally colorful." What we can do is, the peacock told. Peacock said this to the crow. What we can do is, "I will color your body, and later you can color my body. Like that we will paint each other's body so that we look beautiful." Getting, children? So the peacock told, first what you can do is, you can use those colors and you can paint on my body. You can do it. You please do it. Dear crow, you please first paint my body, okay, using the colors you have. Later means afterwards, okay, then I will work on you. I will work on you means I will paint on your body so that even you also will look equally colorful. Equally colorful means as colorful as I would be. Okay, to that what did the crow say? Okay, the crow said okay, and at once means immediately, at once he set to painting the peacock. Set to, the meaning is given at the bottom of the same page in your textbook. Begin doing something in a busy and determined way. That is the meaning of set to. Set to. Okay, set to. The word set to means, the phrase set to means begin doing something in a busy and determined way. Getting, children? See, the crow agreed to paint the body of the peacock first, and it has started painting the body of the peacock so beautifully. It has drawn a lot of designs and it has started painting it. Can you see in the picture? The crow, which is as white as snow, right? It is holding a brush, painting brush, and it is painting the body of the peacock. The crow was a great artist. He painted colorful designs all over the peacock's feathers. Especially the feathers of the peacock look very beautiful. He made the peacock's tail the most beautiful of all. Especially the tail part, feather part. It came out so beautiful. He painted it in rainbow colors. Rainbow colors means, I already told, important 7 colors of the rainbow. Right? When the crow was finished means done with the task of painting, okay, the peacock looked at himself in a pool of water because they did not have a mirror. So what is an alternative to a mirror? We can look our face, we can look our body, how it looks, whether beautiful or not. We can look our image in the pool of water. Right? So we can look at our body reflection also in the pool of water, which would act like a mirror. So we will stop at this. We will continue the rest of the story in the next video.